सब गाइस वेलकम बैक टू माय अनदर वीडियो। आज हम खेलने जा रहे हैं GTA वाइस सिटी।
Tommy Vercetti? Shit.
तो ये
Didn't think
अपनी
I'd ever let
स्टोरी
him
चल
out.
गई
He
है।
kept his head down, helps people forget.
People will remember soon enough. When they see him walking down the streets of their neighborhoods, it will be bad for business.
Well, what are we gonna do, Sonny?
Treat him like an old friend and keep him busy out of town. Okay? We've been talking about expanding down south, right? Vice City is 24 karat gold these days. The Colombians, the Mexicans, hell, even those Cuban refugees are cutting themselves a piece of some nice action.
But it's all drugs, Sonny. None of the families will touch that shit.
Times are changing. The families can't keep their backs turned while our enemies reap the rewards. So, we send someone down to do the dirty work for us and cut ourselves a nice, quiet slice, okay? Who's our contact down there?
Ken Rosenberg, schmuck of a lawyer. How's he gonna hold Vassetti's leash?
We don't need him to. We just set him loose in Vice City. We give him a little cash to get started, okay? Give it a few months. Then we go down. Pay him a little visit, right? See how he's doing.
Hey, guys, it's Ken Rosenberg here. Hey, great, hey. Well, I'm gonna drive you guys to the meet, okay? Now, I've talked to the suppliers, and they are very keen to start a business relationship. So, if all goes well, we should be doing very nicely for ourselves, which is, good. Okay, so they're brothers, okay? One operates the business, and the other one does the flying. Okay, that's them in the chopper. All right, here's the deal. They want a straight exchange on open ground. All right? Okay, stay tight. Let's go.
Got it? 100% pure grade A Colombian, my friend.
Let me see it.
The greens?
10s and 20s. Used.
I think we have a deal, my friend.
Oh, shit!
Come on, get out of your car!
I poked my head out of the gutter for 1 freaking second and fate shovel shit in my face.
Go get some sleep.
What are you gonna do?
I'll drop by your office tomorrow and we can start sorting this mess out.
तो फ्रेंड्स अपनी स्टोरी स्टार्ट हो गई है। जैसे कि आपने देखा है कि एक सोनी है जो बहुत बड़ा ड्रग स्मगलर है। तो उसका काम चल नहीं रहा, बट उसके जितने भी उसके फैन जो उनके साथ काम कर रहे हैं वो कह रहे हैं कि हमें साउथ के साइड अपना बिजनेस बढ़ाना चाहिए ड्रग्स को लेकर। तो सनी कह रहा है कि उधर की साइड कुछ लोग फैमिली लेती नहीं है ड्रग्स, तो अपना काम आगे करना होगा कुछ। तो इस चीज़ के लिए टॉमी वर्सेटी को बुलाया गया है। इलेब्रिटी सिटी रहता था, इलेब्रिटी सिटी से बाई सिटी आया है। तो अभी हमें कहीं जाना है, तो हम अब उधर चलते हैं अपना। अपनी स्टोरी बिगिंस हो गई है इसी के साथ। तो अब हम अपने लिए एक होटल चूज़ कर रहे हैं जिसमें हम रह सकते हैं। तो अब हमें इस गाड़ी से उतर कर होटल के अंदर जाना होगा।
away somewhere important. Where's your car?
अगर हम इसे करें तो हमारा गेम सेव हो जाता है, जो हमने गेम सेव कर लिया है अपना।
Go away! Defend it to the death, they told me.
हम सोनी से मिलने आ गए जो ड्रग स्मगलर था।
Hello, Sonny.
Tommy! Tommy, it's been too long. I know. You're just overwhelmed with emotion. 15 years.
Seems like only yesterday. I guess that's a perspective thing.
Hey, doing time for the family is no piece of cake, but the family looks after its own, okay? So how'd the deal go down? You sitting on some white gold?
Look, Sonny, we were set up. The deal was an ambush. Harry and Lee are
You
dead.
better be kidding me, Tommy! Tell me you still got the money.
No, Sonny. I don't have the money.
That was my money, Tommy! My money! You better not be screwing me, Tommy, because you know I'm not a man to be screwed with!
Wait, Sonny. You have my personal assurance that I'm going to get you your money back and the drugs, and I'm going to mail you the dicks of those responsible.
Hey, I already know that. You're not a fool, Tommy, but I warn you. Neither am I. If it was anybody else, you'd be dead already. But because it's you, because we got history, I'm gonna let you handle this.
Look, Sonny, you got my word.
I'll be in touch.
तो जैसे कि आपने अभी सनी को देखा था कि वो सनी टॉमी से बात हुई और सनी ये कह रहा था कि वो मेरा मनी। जब अभी आपने थोड़ी देर पहले स्टोरी देखी होगी, जब स्टोरी बिगिनस हुई थी हमारी, तो जब ये टॉमी और कैन और उसके दोस्त उसे ड्रग के लिए पैसे स्मगलिंग करने के लिए वो गए थे स्मगलिंग, तो जब उस पर हमला कर दिया गया था, जिसकी वजह से उनकी डील वैसी रह पाई। और फिर सनी का फ़ोन आया टॉमी के पास कि वो मेरा पैसा है, पर टॉमी के पास पैसा नहीं है उसका वापस करने के लिए। तो अब हमें अपने किसी दोस्त के पास जाना होगा, तो जहाँ पर एल का साइन बना है हमें उधर जाना है।
How could you not see me, moron?
You boys?
तो हम अपने दोस्त के पास आ गए हैं, रैन रोजनबर्ग के पास।
Go get some sleep, he says. I have been sitting in this chair all night with the lights off, drinking coffee. This is a disaster. We are so screwed, man. These gorillas, listen to me, are gonna come down here and rip my head off. It's ridiculous. I did not go to law school for this. Okay, now what the hell are we gonna do?
Shut up, sit down, relax. I'll tell you what we're going to do. You're going to find out who took our cocaine, and then we're going to kill them.
That's a good idea. That's a great idea. Let me think. Oh, there's this retired colonel, Colonel Juan Garcia Cortez. He's the one that helped me set up this deal well away from Vice City's established thugs, okay? Now listen, he's holding his party out in the bay on his expensive yacht, and all of Vice City's big players are gonna be there, okay? I have an invite. Of course I have an invite. But there's no way that I'm going out there, sticking my head out the door. No way,
I
not gonna
told
happen.
you, shut up. I'll go myself.
Whoa. Hey, I like 1978 too, but you know, this isn't gonna be a beard strippers do. I mean, no offense, but I think that you might turn heads on the runway for the wrong
What's
reasons.
wrong with the way I'm dressed?
Okay, look, here, stop by Raphael's. Tell him I sent you. He'll make you look respectable. Okay, go, come on.
Who does that guy think he is? Now I gotta dress like a chump as well as hang out with them? I like this shirt.
तो आपको अभी देखा ही है, जैसे कि आपने, हम अभी लैंस से मिलने गए थे और उसने कहा कि हमें एक आदमी बचा सकता है जो कर्नल कोटेज है। तो अब हमें उसके पास जाना है। पहले हमें क्लॉथ शॉप के पास जाना है, क्लॉथ शॉप से कपड़े चेंज करेंगे पहले। तो अब पहले हम अपने लिए कपड़े नए खरीदने जा रहे हैं। तो हम अपनी कपड़े की शॉप पर आ गए हैं। तो अब रफेल्स क्लॉथिंग से अपने लिए नए कपड़े देख लेते हैं। और हमने नए कपड़े खरीद भी लिए हैं इसी के साथ।
Nice bike.
No, my bike!
तो अब हमें अपने कर्नल से मिलने जाना है, जिसके बारे में बात चली थी कर्नल कॉटेज सर के पास। तो उसकी बोट इधर ही है और हमें इधर ही मिलने आना है उससे।
Buenas noches. I understand you are here on the behalf of Mr. Rosenberg. I hope any recent problems have not affected his health or mental well-being, Mr.
Versetti. He's just got a touch of agoraphobia.
Excellent, excellent. And you?
I just want my merchandise.
Ah, it's an unfortunate set of circumstances for all involved. Of course, I have initiated my own lines of inquiry, but such a delicate matter will take time. Perhaps we'll talk later. Meanwhile, let me introduce you to my daughter. Miss Edis! Caramia, could you look after our guest while I attend to my necessary obligations?
Of course, Daddy.
Please, excuse me.
Mercedes?
You try living with it. Anyway, let me point out some of our more distinguished guests. That's our Congressman Alex Shrub with Rising Silicon Star, Candy Sachs.
And have you met my lovely wife, Laura? No? Well, unfortunately, she's in Alabama. This is Candy.
And over there, we have the Vice City Mamba's star titan, BJ. Always the charmer.
I blocked down on him, and then I put him in a wheelchair.
That is good. Well, now I'm looking at some prime.
And that poolside amphibian is Jez Torrent, lead singer with Love Fist.
Can I tell you? Do you know how they play ping pong? In silence. Let me tell you. It does not involve a paddle, if you know.
Impotent. And the chatty trio, that sleeping sweat gland is Papa's right-hand gimp, Gonzalez. And the other two are Pastor Richards and pseudo-intellectual film director Steve Scott.
Throws a passion with the Nuclear Invaders when the giant shark comes in and just bites their dicks off. I know, you never saw anything like that before.
Colonel, your party is ever a triumph. I can only apologize.
Now, de nada, amigo. How do we find you?
Our business is very trying. Barbarians at the gate. A time for rewarding one's friends and liquidating one's enemies, amigo.
Who's the loudmouth?
Ricardo Diaz. He's Mr. Coke.
Mercedes!
Oh, I was just taking my friend back into town. Another time, Ricardo.
Ricardo, let's go.
Let's get out of here. Actually, take me to the pole position.
Drinks.
तो जैसा आपने देखा है कि हम अभी स्टोरी में आगे बढ़े हैं। तो हम अपने कर्नल से मिलने आए हैं। कर्नल ने अपनी बेटी से भी मिलाया हमें। तो उसे सिटी के क्लब में छोड़कर आना है हमें इसी के साथ।
Will you be working for my father?
Maybe.
Do you mind me resting my hand in your lap?
Maybe.
So difficult having a rich and powerful father. Vamos.
तो
You're under arrest.
इसी के साथ हमें वेपन मिल गया, पता नहीं बीच में ही आ गया था, तो मैंने कहा चल भाई से रास्ते से हटा देते हैं।
See you around, handsome.
I'm sure you will.
तो हमने इसे क्लब में छोड़ दिया है और हमें $100 मिल गए हैं। इसी के साथ हम अपने दोस्त के पास जा रहे हैं, क्योंकि वही बताएगा हमें अगला मिशन क्या करना है। तो हम अपने दोस्त के पास पहुंच गए हैं और अभी हमें बताएगा हमें आगे क्या करना है।
Ah, well, I hope you're having a good time, because I'm going out of my mind with worry here. What did you find out?
That there are more criminals in this town than in prison. We need a lead from the streets.
Okay, let me think. Ah, I got it. Okay, there's this limey, some music industry slimeball. Goes by the name of Kent Paul. Anyway, he's got his nose so far up most of Vice City's ass that if anybody knows the whereabouts of 20 keys of coke, it's this guy, all right? He's always at the Malibu.
I'll go pay him a visit.
Take it easy now.
तो आपको पता ही है, जैसे कि हमने अभी वहाँ पर गए थे कर्नल की बोट पर, तो हमें वहाँ पर बहुत सारे माफिया मिले थे। तो उस माफिया में से एक कैंट नाम का था, तो हमें उसके पास जाना है, वही हमारा आगे का काम कराएगा। और
You should stick to robbing old women, dick.
Ah, well, I hope you're having a good time, because I'm going out of my mind with worry.
तो मैं अपने दोस्त की कार में बैठ रहा था, मुझे इतनी देर में पुलिस ने पकड़ लिया। तो अब हम भी अपनी नई गाड़ी एक्सचेंज कर लेते हैं और चलते हैं कैंट के पास। तो हमें यहाँ पिंक पॉइंट पर जाना है। अगर हम इस गेम में टैक्सी चलाए तो हम टैक्सी से भी पैसे कमा सकते हैं। तो हम मैलिबू क्लब में आ गए हैं।
Where'd you pop up from? I've been looking for a bird like you for ages, mate. You know what?
Looking for some English guy.
Kent Paul. Kent Paul, mate. Yeah, I'm the governor around here. I'll sort things out. You know what I mean? I'll treat you. Whatever you want, I'll get you, girl. Don't you worry about a thing, mate.
You're lost, honey.
Oi.
You Kent Paul? I'm a friend of Rosenberg's.
Rosenberg. Oh, that bonkers ambulance chaser. That guy could defend an innocent man all the way to death row. Gets another drink, bruv.
But he's a comedian. Listen to me. I'm missing 20 keys and a lot of cash.
Drugs, mate. It's a mug's game.
What do you know about it?
Well, what I was coming to was, there's some chef come trumpet shifter who deals that kitchen of a hotel in Ocean Drive. He's been looking real pleased with himself lately. You could go and check him out.
I will. And I'll be seeing you around.
Yeah, that's right. Go and walk away, you mug. I knock you spark out. Give me a drink. And where's that slut?
तो जैसे कि आपको पता ही होगा, इधर हम इसलिए आए थे क्योंकि जब हम स्मगलिंग करने गए थे तो चोरी में इसने ही कराया था कुछ काम। तो अब हमें दोबारा जाना है अपने दोस्त के पास। तो हमें इधर आना है बीच से थोड़ा।
Hey, what you looking at? You better start talking. Hey, make me, you prick.
Oh, way to go, tough guy. Beat him to a pulp. That should make him real chatty.
You want some too?
Hey, chill. I want what you want, brother.
Oh, yeah? And what's that?
Your green and my dead brother's white lady. Unfortunately, you just silenced our lead.
Accidents happen. Get lost.
Hey, whoa. No need to go all Lone Range on my ass. The way I see it, we two hombres in a strange town. We need to watch each other's back.
My back's just fine, brother.
You sure about that? Here, take this. Follow me. This way. You think I'm a prick, do you? One thing you gotta realize about this town, we gotta pack some heat. The local gun shop's a couple of blocks away.
तो पहले अब हमें वेपन्स खरीदने हैं लड़ाई के लिए।
Moron.
तो हम एम्यूनेशन पर आ गए, हमें यहाँ से वेपन लेने हैं।
I'm going to scream in about 2 freaking seconds. Get out my way, Sugar Pepper!
तो अब हमें वापस होटल जाना है अपना। तो हम होटल आ गए हैं।
Hey, mind the lady!
I'm gonna go see what I can dig up. I'll be watching you, Tommy.
If I see you again, I spit on you!
तो हमने मिशन पास कर दिया और हमें यहीं से $200 मिल गए।
Hey, Leo, I think we got a buyer for Diaz's merchandise. You gotta give him a ring, man. Set up the deal, you know?
Where are you now?
You okay, Leo? You sound kinda different.
Just tell me where you are.
Who the hell is this? Put Leo on, man.
Leo's gone away for a while. He left me in charge.
Screw you, man.
तो हमारे पास एक बंदे का फ़ोन आया था, वो ये कह रहा था कि तुम मेरे लिए काम करोगे क्या। तो हम आ गए हैं और हमें अपने दोस्त से बात करनी है, रोजनबर्ग।
Oh, for God's sake, it's you. Oh, jeez.
ये कितने मजे से सो रहा है अपना।
Hey, those psychos from up north, they've been on the horn, and they're coming down here soon. Now, where is the goddamn money?
Relax, relax. We're not at that part yet.
Oh, I thought that you were taking care of this. I really did. And now those Guidos say we gotta do them a favor.
You mean I gotta do him a favor?
Oh, of course that's what I mean. Do I look like I can intimidate a jury? I couldn't intimidate a child, and believe me, I've tried. Now look, it's either that or Forelli's cousin Giorgio gets 5 years for fraud. You gotta take these guys out.
I understand. Help the jury change their minds. Don't worry about it.
No! I tried that. The jury case didn't go so well. So make them change their minds.
All right, more crap to wipe up. What did I do wrong in a past life?
तो जैसे ही आपने सुना होगा, तो हमारा दोस्त ये कह रहा है कि वो लोग आ रहे हैं और वे नीचे ही हैं, हमसे पैसे लेने के लिए आए हैं।
Your rifle full out of my way.
हमें ये वेपन लेना है, ये काम में आएगा अभी। इसकी साउंड कितनी टखड़ी है।
Hey, man, my car! Leave my damn car alone, man! Yo, man, I still got payments to make on this! Ay, caramba, Patuca! Oh, please, God! Someone help me!
Giorgio sends his regards.
तो हमने हैमर इसलिए लिया था क्योंकि हमें इसकी गाड़ी मैच करनी थी अभी। और अब हमें इस पॉइंट पर जाना है जो पॉइंट दिखा रखा है हमें। तो अब हमें इस गाड़ी को भी हथौड़े से तोड़ना है, हैमर से इसे भी मैश कर देना है।
I can't believe this is happening. Remember Giorgio? Remember he's innocent?
तो हमारा मिशन पास हो गया। इसी के साथ हमें $400 मिल गए हैं। तो अब हमें दोबारा अपने दोस्त के पास जाना है, रोजनबर्ग के पास। वो हमें बताएगा हमें आगे क्या करना है।
Hey, Tommy, it's Sonny. How's the suntan?
Ain't got no suntan.
We ain't got my money either, so I'm one of them myself. What are you doing? So tell me, what are you doing?
I'm looking for the money, Sonny. Don't worry.
I am worrying, Tommy. That's my style, because I seem to have this problem in my life with unreliable people. Don't be an unreliable person, Tommy, please. Do us both a favor. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.
तो हमारे पास सनी का फ़ोन आया था। वो ये कह रहा है कि मेरा पैसा किधर है। तो टॉमी ने क्या है कि अभी हम पैसे देख रहे हैं और उसका फ़ोन कह रहा है कि मेरे पैसे मुझे वापस करो। तो हम चलते हैं और देखते हैं क्या करना है मुझे।
Get to the payphone next to the mall in Washington.
Licky sticky boom boom.
It goes without saying. Tommy, any progress? No. Tell me later. Tommy, this is Avery Carrington. I believe you met at the party?
Not in person.
Howdy.
Avery here has a proposition.
Haven't we got other things on our mind?
I'm trying to keep the wolves from the door. So could you please cut me some slack? I'm stretched like a wire, and even if I'm dead by the end of the week, I'd like to think that I didn't die poor.
Now just
okay?
calm down, both of you.
Son, you help me, and any greaseballs giving you a hard time, I'll see to it they take a long dirt nap.
Okay. What could I do for you?
This delivery company's got its depot on some prime land. They won't sell. They're hanging on like a big old prairie rat. So we gotta go in there and smoke that vermin out. Head on down there and stir up a hornet's nest. Security will have their hands full, and then you can sneak in and put them out of business.
And you could drop by Raphael's for a change of clothes. You might be there a while, but yeah, go for it.
Should be a riot.
If the balls drop like they should, stop by my office sometime.
Who are these pricks anyway? Lawyer pricks, rug-wearing pricks, surrounded by pricks.
तो जैसे कि अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले मैंने दिखाया था कि हम एक पार्टी में गए थे अभी कर्नल कोटेज की, तो ये भी आ रखा था एवरिक कर्टन। तो अब अभी इसने हमें कुछ काम दिया है, हमें इसका काम करना है। तो अभी हम क्लॉथ शॉप पर जा रहे हैं अपने कपड़े चेंज करने के लिए, क्योंकि आगे अभी स्टोरी में ट्विस्ट आने वाला है। तो मैं यहाँ पर आकर इधर के ऑयल बैंस उड़ानी थी, तो हमने उसे ब्लास्ट कर दिया है और अब हमें जाना है। अभी हमें इधर आना है क्योंकि हमारा इधर है वो मिशन। टॉमी लिबर्टी सिटी से आया था, तो उधर का पानी बहुत गंदा रहता है, तो ये तैर नहीं पाता है, तो ये पानी में जाकर एकदम डेथ हो जाती है इसकी। हमें इस मॉल पर आना था, तो
Hola, is this Mr. Versetti?
Yeah.
This is Cortez. You were at my party?
Yeah, I remember.
Mr. Versetti, it was a most unfortunate incident that happened when you built the deal.
I know.
I want you to know me and my people are doing their utmost to get to the bottom of it. If you'd like to talk to me more privately, you can find me at the boat. Okay? Good day, senor.
तो अभी हम थोड़ी देर पहले एक बोट में गए थे कर्नल कॉटेज की, तो उसका फ़ोन आया है, तो उसने बोला है कि हमारे लिए उसे कुछ काम करना है, तो हमें इधर आना था पॉइंट मॉल पर, तो हम इधर आ गए हैं। तो अब हम इधर फ़ोन उठा लेते हैं अपना।
Mr. Steele, your help in eradicating those out-of-towners was invaluable to business. I have more work for you with a more hands-on approach. Your next job is taped under the phone.
मैं मार इसे। तो हमें एक पिज्ज़ा डिलीवर वाले को मारना था, तो हमने उसे तो मार दिया, क्योंकि हमारा मिशन था और हमें $500 मिल गए हैं। तो हमें कुछ ये सी पॉइंट दिखा रखा है, तो हमें इधर जाना है। यहाँ पर शायद से हमारा कुछ मिशन है। तो फिर मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, जब तक के लिए बाय। आई होप मुझे आपको मेरी वीडियो अच्छी लगी होगी, तो हमें सपोर्ट करें। जब तक के लिए बाय।